Hello friends. Once upon a time, there was a brilliant scientist named Enrico Fermi, who had a twinkle in his eye and loved to gaze at the stars. Just like you wonder about the shapes of clouds, he wondered about the stars and had a big question in his mind. With so many stars in the sky, where are all the aliens? Imagine the night sky filled with billions and billions of stars, like a giant blanket of sparkling diamonds. Enrico Fermi wanted to know if there were other creatures living on those stars, just like we live on Earth. It was like playing hide and seek with aliens in the cosmos. Enrico Fermi was not alone in his curiosity. He had some really smart friends, including scientists and astronomers. Together they formed a team that loved to ponder the mysteries of the universe. They decided to ask a big question, and this question became known as the Fermi paradox, a puzzle about why we hadn't met any space aliens yet. Picture Enrico Fermi and his friends sitting under the starry sky, sipping hot cocoa, with extra marshmallows, of course, and chatting about the possibility of other creatures out there. They had notebooks filled with scribbles and calculations, like treasure maps leading to cosmic mysteries. They realized something fascinating. Our Milky Way galaxy is incredibly old, like a wise grandparent that has been around for billions of years. They thought, with so much time passed, there should have been plenty of opportunities for aliens to visit us by now. Enrico Fermi and his friends also knew that there are lots of stars in the galaxy, more than there are grains of sand on all the beaches in the world. With so many stars, they believed there must be even more planets around them, just like Earth. These planets could be potential homes for alien friends. They thought, if there are so many planets, maybe some of them have creatures who are just as curious as we are. These aliens might want to explore the galaxy, just like we dream about exploring the deep ocean or far-off lands. Enrico Fermi and his friends put on their thinking caps and did some cosmic calculations. They figured out that a spaceship from a nearby star could reach us in a reasonable amount of time, like a family road trip to visit your grandparents. They were sure that aliens should have visited us by now. But here's where the funny part comes in. Despite all the stars, planets, and possible aliens, we haven't met any extraterrestrial friends yet. It's like hosting a big party with cake and balloons, but nobody showed up to join the fun. So they asked, where are all the aliens hiding? Enrico Fermi and his friends came up with all sorts of charming and amusing ideas. They imagined that aliens might be really shy, like a timid bunny in the woods, or perhaps they're having a massive intergalactic picnic and forgot to invite us. As they thought more, they considered the possibility that there might be something preventing aliens from visiting us. Maybe there are cosmic traffic jams in space, or giant space cats that chase away any visitors with a playful swat. Years passed, and scientists kept looking and listening for signs of aliens. They built big ears, called radio telescopes, to listen to space whispers, and they even sent messages into space, like sending a message in a bottle into the ocean, hoping someone out there would find it and write back. But here's the funny thing, even though they listened and sent messages, the radio telescopes only heard static, like the sound your TV makes when it's not tuned to a channel. It was like trying to have a phone call with a friend, but you can't hear each other clearly. So the Fermi paradox remained a puzzling question, like a riddle with no answer. Scientists are still trying to figure it out today, just like you might try to solve a tricky puzzle with colorful pieces that seem to be missing. Some scientists think that maybe aliens are hiding because they're afraid of us, like a shy bunny hiding from a friendly dog. Others believe they're simply too far away, exploring their own cosmic neighborhoods, and we haven't had a chance to meet them yet. So my little explorer, the Fermi paradox is a big charming mystery that scientists are still trying to solve. It's like searching for hidden treasure among the stars, and scientists keep their telescopes and imaginations pointed toward the sky, hoping that one day, we'll finally meet our intergalactic neighbors and share cosmic cookies and stories from our earthly adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.